By refining the number of potential therapeutic targets analysed and decreasing development times, R&D expenditures are expected to tumble. But just how can this be achieved?
Perhaps most importantly, certainly from my perspective, is attrition. Attrition is very high. We can debate how high it is. It varies from company to company. It varies by therapeutic area to therapeutic area. But by and large, it's about 90+%. 90, 95, as high as 95%.
How do you battle attrition? How do you increase productivity?
Attrition has been with us for a long, long time. And by and large, many companies have taken different approaches to it. Certainly at Wyeth recently was with metrics that Dr. Ruffalo instituted when he joined the company in 2000, which is to set productivity metrics. So meaning get so many compounds per year that are put on development track and so many INDs per year. Now, I think this experience in certainly at Wyeth and other companies have taken that approach has basically been that it's hard for companies to maintain that pace.
Alessandro Banchi, the chief executive at Boehringer Ingelheim, recently told Reuters that he doesn't believe an M&A strategy like that pursued by Pfizer, for example, is the way forward. A BI, I think he said, are pursuing a strategy very much based on R&D.
There have been over the years criticisms or questions or people raising doubts about mergers and acquisitions in the pharmaceutical industry. And certainly, if you go back like 20 years, I mean, see how many companies have just totally disappeared. So I think it is always on a case-by-case basis. But this particular one that is facing us, we are extremely positive and focus on the future and make certain that people remain optimistic and focusing on the projects they have to work on today, because that will only make the future better for the combined company.
What about the accusation there that it's disruptive to R&D? Do you believe that?
I think it is always based on, I can imagine that can be from time to time in some instances, but I think certainly what we have seen from Wyeth on the pending acquisition is that people, by keeping individuals sort of focused on the individual projects, and then we are anticipating that there will be absolutely minimum disruption at the same time that the plans are made for how the combined company will work.
For more fantastic interviews directly related to your business, be sure to explore Meet the Boss TV.